Friday, or Thursday, we talked about topic sentence because we already have become experts with restating. And then we have learned about connecting words, and now we are learning about topic sentence. And remember, topic sentence is your restate, your connecting word, and then your short, simple answer. And does that answer give all of the information to the reader? No, it leaves them hanging. It makes the reader want to read more. Okay? So, we used our graphic organizer last time, but this time I want to see if you can do it by yourself. Okay? Because I think you're pretty good at restating, using your connecting word, and then a short, simple answer. So I want to see if you can do it without the graphic organizer. Okay? So, if you will open to the first page of your journal, we glued in our rubric. We have our restate rubric, but now we're going to talk about our topic sentence rubric. Okay, for a topic sentence, you will get a 1. Who can read to me what you have to do to get a 1? What does it mean to get a 1? David.
The 1 is
Yep, it's the same thing. Right there. There you go. It does not answer the question. Okay? Because that's what your topic sentence is, a short, simple answer. You get a 1 if you do not answer your question at all. Okay. Can somebody read to me what it means to get a 2? Jessica, please answer what it means to get a 2 for topic sentence.
my first sentence answers the question that has too much.
Okay. So to get a 2, it means that you did answer the question, but you gave them too much detail. You gave them everything they needed to know right away. You didn't leave them hanging. So if they get all the information they need, are they going to keep reading everything else that you wrote? No. So if I see that your period is at the very end of your answer, then that means you gave me too much detail, okay, in the very first topic sentence. Okay. Who can read to me what it means to get a 3 for topic sentence? Jasmine.
My first sentence, answer the question and make the reader want more information.
Okay, very good. So you answer the question, and you were short and simple to the point. So they are left hanging to want to learn more. Okay? All right, so we are going to continue with a number talk, okay? But we are going to be thinking about topic sentence while we are doing our number talk. Okay, so today we're going to do a multiplication number talk, and I'm going to put the question on, or the problem on the board. You are going to think about your solution and your strategy and how you would explain it. So when you have your answer, put your thumb to your chest, okay? So the first problem is going to be 6 times 12. When you have your answer, put your thumb to the chest. See, here are some of the strategies that we've come up with. Do you need water? Go get some water. I'm looking for thumbs. You should have your book open to your rubric. Okay? Open to the rubric. Okay, so I see a lot of thumbs. So what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you turn to your carpet partner. Partner A is going to share their strategy first. Okay? Partner B, you're going to put your thoughts to the side, and you're going to be thinking about their topic sentence. Did they answer the question, and did they leave you wanting to know more? Okay? What's the connecting word that we use with number talks? Hugo.
Because.
No.
Why?
That is on our chart. Angel.
Why?
I solved the problem by. Okay? All right. Partner share.
I solved the problem by And my first.
Did he use the topic sentence? Did you want to know more about the strategy? Good.
I did.
So you're going by sentence? What would you give your partner on the rubric? Okay, very good. Which partner group would like to share? Which partner group would like to share? Gustavo.
I solved the problem by using representation.
Period. Very good. That would get a 3 on the rubric because he answered the question and he just stated his strategy. He left it right there. You guys want to know more about how he solved his strategy. Okay? Keep going.
Then I did 6 plus 6 equals 12.
Okay.
Then I did 12 plus 12. Wait.
6 plus 6?
12 plus 6.
Okay, so that equals 12, and then you added another 6?
Yeah.
Okay.
18 plus 6. That equals 24. 24 plus 6.
Okay.
That equals 30. 30 plus 6. That equals 42. I mean 36.
Okay. I'm going to go up.
36 plus 6 is 42.
Okay.
42. Yeah, 42 plus 6. 48.
48. Let's count how many 6s we've had to add so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many do we need to go up to?
12.
Okay.
48 plus 6
9.
was 54.
Mm-hmm.
54 plus 6 equals 60.
Very good.
60 plus 6 equals 66.
Okay.
66 plus 6 equals 72.
Very
72.
Wait, let's count how many 6s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
And my answer was 72.
Awesome. Now he did get to the right answer. Very good, Gustavo. But is there a more efficient way to solve this problem? Did you see how he could have got lost with how many 6s he added?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. All right, Jaden, I would like to hear your response.
Mine was repeat addition, but different is a problem. I started with 12.
Can you say the answer that you said to your partner?
72.
Okay, that would get a 1 on the rubric because
Oh,
you
wait.
did not restate, you did not use a connecting word, okay? Can you try and make that better?
I solved the problem by repeat addition.
That's what Gustavo just did.
Yeah, but I did it kind of different.
Okay.
First, I added 12 plus 12.
Okay, why did you add 12 plus 12?
Because it's more efficient to get 24.
But why did you choose 12 plus 12?
I choose the 12 because it gets more efficient and faster.
Okay.
Equals 24.
Okay.
12 plus 24 plus 12 equals 36.
Okay.
36 plus 12 equals 48.
Okay.
48 plus 12 equals 50.
Mm.
I mean 60.
60. You need to carry your 1. Very good. How do you know how many times you're adding 6s? You're using 12.
Because you just have 6 12s.
Okay. So if you're using 12 plus 12, why did you use that instead of 6s?
Because it goes more higher.
Okay. So, how do you keep track of how many you need to go?
I count on the way.
Okay, let's do that.
1.
Because how many 6s are in 12s? If you're doing it this way, you need to be able to keep track of it.
2.
Okay.
4. 6. 8. 10.
Okay. Do you see how this is still confusing? You
Yeah.
could still get lost. Okay. Do you think this is still an efficient way?
No.
All right. Did anybody else use a more efficient way to solve this problem? Noah.
Partial products. I solved the problem by partial products.
Period. Very good. You would get a 3. Okay. How would you do that?
I split my 12 into 10 and 2.
Oh. So you split your 12 into
10 and
10 and 2.
2. And then I did 6 times 10 equals 60.
Awesome. Use your 10.
And then I did 6 times 2, which equals 12. And then I did 60 plus 12. And that equals 72. 72 in my balance.
72 is your final answer. Good closing. Okay. All right. So I'm going to put another problem up. Okay. You're going to think about your answer. Okay. So let's turn to our chart paper. Your problem is 8 times 12. So your question you're thinking about is how did you solve the problem? This time, if you have one strategy, I want you to think about another strategy. Okay. So, think about your answer and how you would explain it. Okay, I should be up here. You should look at your rubric to see what you would get.
Are we going to do this
In a little bit. So I want you to be thinking about your answer. When you have your solution, put your thumb up, please. Okay, I see lots of thumbs. Okay, you're going to partner share. This time you're going to change roles. Partner B, you're going to share your strategy first. Partner A, you're going to put your thoughts to the side, and you're going to be able to restate what your partner said, and then also talk about their topic sentence. Did you want to know more? Okay, go ahead and share.
Okay. I solved the problem by partial
What's your partner get? 3.
Alright, let's still go.
Alright, very good. I'm liking what I'm hearing. Okay, I'm going to write an answer that I heard somebody from our class say. Okay, so this is what I heard somebody say. Okay, I want you to think to yourself if that person would get a 1, a 2, or a 3. Put what they would get from the rubric on your chest. What do you think this person would get? I solved the problem by first splitting my 12 into 10 and 2. What do you think they would get? Put your fingers, either a 1, a 2, or a 3 on your chest. Look at your rubric. You can use the rubric to help you. What do you think they would get? Jalea, you participating? Thank you. To your chest. Did you look at your rubric? Okay. David, what do you think they would get?
I think they'll get a 2.
A 2? Why do you think they would get a 2?
Because they didn't solve they didn't tell the answer.
They didn't. You're right. They didn't really answer the question. Okay, they didn't name their strategy. And do you, Gustavo, what would you do?
Because it didn't make sense.
It makes sense because they have their restate with the question words from the question and their connecting word and then an answer. But how did you solve the problem? They want you to name a strategy. You gave them way too much information to start out with. Okay? You want to name your strategy so then they can know more about, or they want to know more about your strategy. Okay?
I'll give them a 1.
All right. Well, the 1 means that they didn't answer it at all. Okay, it's off topic. Is this off topic?
Oh, sorry.
No. Okay, so that's what it means to be a 1. They didn't answer it at all. Maybe they answered the wrong question. Okay? All right, so what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you go back to your seats. Okay, and I will call you by table group to go back. You're going to, on your journal where you already wrote in your question, you're going to write the problem, and you're going to pick one strategy to do it, to solve it, another strategy to try and solve it, then you're going to explain your answer, okay? Just like you did with your partner, okay? Once you're done explaining, I would like you to score yourself. Did you get a 3 on topic sentence? Did you get a 2 on topic sentence? Did you get a 1? Okay? You need to get started quickly and quietly. I'm going to put a timer up for 10 minutes, okay?
Okay.
All right, table group 1 may go back and get started. Table group 2 may go back and get started. may go back and get started. Table group 1 may go back and get started. Maya, please get started, sweetie. And Hugo may go back. Yay! Bria and Anna, you have already been called back to your table. You need to get started. Oh, yeah. Oh, thank you, Hugo, for bringing Max's stuff up. That was very good of you. I'm going to give you a fair spread for being kind. Okay, so Max, there's your problem. You're going to choose one strategy to solve it, another strategy to solve it, and then you're going to explain. Okay? Once you're done explaining, I want you to use your rubric to score yourself on what you get for topic. Okay? I will fill it out for you. You can get started. Thank you. Focus, focus. I'm putting up our timer. You're going to have 10 minutes to make sure you have a good answer.
Good.